In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a view in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and go to the specific view you want to protect. This could be a list view, board view, calendar, table, Gantt, timeline, or another view type in your workspace. The important thing is to open the exact view whose layout and settings you want to keep safe from unwanted changes. Once you're in that view, look at the top of the workspace and find the view name. For example, if you're working in a list view, you'll see list at the top. This is where you'll access the settings related to that view. Next, click the view name to open its options menu. This menu includes different settings and actions for the view you currently have open. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct view before moving on, especially if you manage multiple views for the same project or folder. In the menu, find the Protect View option. When you see it, turn on the toggle next to Protect View. This is the setting that allows you to lock down the view so people can't casually change its structure, layout, or other important settings. If your current ClickUp plan supports this feature, ClickUp will guide you through the next prompts. Follow those prompts to protect the view and configure who can make changes. This is helpful if you want to allow only certain people to adjust the setup, while everyone else can continue using the view without accidentally modifying it. After protection is enabled, ClickUp helps prevent unwanted changes to the view's layout and settings. This can be especially useful for shared team views, reporting dashboards, or any setup you want to keep consistent over time. If you try this and see a message saying that you need to upgrade to Business Plus to unlock Protect Views, that means your current plan doesn't include this feature. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to Business Plus or another ClickUp plan that supports Protect Views before you can turn this setting on. If you ever want to remove the protection later, go back to the same view menu and turn off Protect View, as long as you have permission to do so. That returns the view to a normal editable state. And that's it. You now know how to protect a view in ClickUp and keep important view settings from being changed unintentionally. Thanks for watching.